Every great experience starts with an idea and the right team to bring it to life. This year, Circle Qatar brought bold ideas into reality, shaping spaces, stories, and experiences across some of the country's most prominent events and exhibitions. From the ground up, we handle every detail: design, production, construction, branding, all under one roof.
The design was very good. We thoroughly liked it. The finish was excellent as well. The team was amazing to deal with. And above all, as you can see, the booth was very nice, very classy. The colors were amazing. Excellent touches as well.
Whether it's a single stand or a full-scale exhibition hall, we approach every project with the same passion and dedication.
Circle Qatar actually really they did amazing job والexpectation يعني كان أفضل من ما نحن كنا متوقعين منهم.
If you want us to describe Circle Qatar in one word, I'll say exceptional, because that's what it reflects.
Our team thrives on challenges. We manage tight deadlines, complex builds, and creative demands, delivering with consistency and confidence. Because for us, it's not just about structures, it's about stories. It's about delivering an experience that speaks louder than words. Circle Qatar, your vision, our expertise.